To everybody who's gathered here today, ngā mihi. But awesome to be here, te tautoko the kaupapa, which is ngā tāngata whai kaha. So, yeah, ko haua Lolo. The grumpy one, e roti te kaupapa, that pushes and pushes for our babies to get stuff. I just want to acknowledge Nai, in the sense of our ana, for te arana, and yeah, for me as a child growing up in Te Tiko, all our tangata whai kaha, or all our special ability cousins, were sent to a different school from us. They were excluded, or they were sent to a different classroom from us. Growing up, and when Niall came home and asked if baby could come to kohanga, I said, of course. Oh, but she doesn't move. So, what's that got to do with it? But this is what we grew up with as children. Our cousins were all sent to special needs schools and were excluded from us. So us growing up as kids, when we walked down the street, we looked at our cousins like this. Nah, wasn't going to be part of our journey as far as our tamariki were concerned. So we made that change. For Ana, when our babies look at Ana, she's Ana. Ana in a wheelchair, they don't see the wheelchair, they see te arana. We have Quaidi, who was an autistic. Quaidi rocks. They see Quaidi, they don't see Quaidi rocking. We have Whitirea, Down syndrome. Our little midget man, ooh, he's pretty feisty doing the haka. But they see Whitirea. They don't see Whitirea as a dwarf. And this is the inclusion that we want for our tamariki. And, you know, I acknowledge my cousin Bernadette over there. Again, taken away from us, growing up as kids, growing up as children. So for us at home in Te Tiko, is about inclusion. And yeah, they go to the marae, they get a tea towel like everybody else. They go and pack the table like everybody else. And they sing and are part of us like everybody else. But thank you, Nai, for this journey. And like she's acknowledged, our kaupapa nationwide, which has been acknowledged throughout all the kohanga reo in the movement of kohanga reo, is about inclusion of our tamaariki, well, what we call them is tamaariki, our children with abilities, not disabilities.